Quite simply, the drill press makes holes in material. It can be a better choice than drilling by hand with a drill because your material sits on a surface that is aligned at a 90-degree angle to the drill bit. In this video, we will highlight the process of drilling through wood and softer materials. If you want to drill through metal, you can, but the process is different. As with any machine, ask a technician for help getting set up if you haven't used the drill press before or if you are not sure. Let's start with some vocab. Drill bits, chuck, spindle, feed wheel. Select the drill bit that is the appropriate size for your project. Note we have different kinds of bits. Most often, you'll be using a spiral bit. Please only use the brad point bits when you are drilling through solid wood, not foam, MDF, or other composites. Loosen the chuck. This is the part that holds the bit securely. If you look inside the chuck, you will see 3 jaws that either get closer together or farther apart, depending on which way you're spinning the outside of the chuck. Make the jaws just a little bigger than the bit before you try to tighten the bit. This helps the bit stay centered. Put the bit in and tighten the chuck. This part feels a bit awkward since you have to hold the bit with your pinky finger and ring finger as you tighten the chuck. A technician will help you change the bits anytime you'd like. Now that the bit is installed, it's time to get your material ready. Place your material on the table of the drill press. Make sure there is a sacrificial board under your material. Bring your spindle down by cranking the wheel on the right side. Align your material to the drill bit. For this small hole and soft material, I can simply hold the material firmly with my hand while I drill. Turn on the drill press. Slowly bring down the drill until it goes all the way through and bring it back up. Clean up and put the bit away. There are many other advanced features of the drill press, but those are the essentials. Sometimes you will need to clamp material to the table before drilling a hole. When in doubt, it never hurts to clamp. Of course, always ask a technician for guidance if you are not sure. If you are drilling a larger hole or using a very hard material like maple, clamp down your material. These clamps slide into the track of the table. Place the clamp over your material and squeeze the handle. For small pieces, use a vise. Place your material in the vise with a piece of scrap under it so you don't drill into the metal of the vise. Either hold the vise in place or clamp it. Drill through the material. Clean up. Speed. Ask a technician to set the right speed for the bit you are using. Table height. You may find that you are cranking the feed wheel forever before you get to your material. Or your material and bit may not fit. In these situations, you'll have to adjust the height of the table. Again, ask the technician to help if you are not sure. First, unlock the table. Crank the table height adjustment crank until the table is at the right height. Lock it in place. Stop. If you don't want to drill all the way through and want to drill an accurate depth, set the stop. Once the stop is set, you will feel the spindle stop when it gets to the point where your stop is set. Angle. You can set the bed to a specific angle. Ask the technician to do this for you.